Hello everyone, my name is Araa Goran, and today I will be talking about data mining and its application in marketing and business. So we will start with first term of data mining. What is data mining? Data mining is the process of analyzing data from different perspectives and summarizing it into useful information. It uncovers patterns in a large set of data and growing industry to target their products and advertisements towards consumers are based on data mining. Why data mining? Almost every we do leaves an electronic data behind. This means like whatever you do nowadays on your phone or visiting any places, you buy something online or you visiting a store to buy something, everything will turn into data, into electronic data. And this needs to extract useful information from the data in order to interpret the data. So the data that will be collected about anything is a raw data. There is some interested or patterns in those raw data. They can be useful to aim for bigger uh, things like in any field. Data mining helps speed up the process of finding relationships and patterns in raw data. This is what I was talking about. And uses of data mining. Data mining are being used in a lot of different fields. For example, healthcare, finances, retail and e-commerce, and many other countless subjects. The history of data mining. The term data mining is relatively new, but the concepts have been around for many years. Classical statics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning culminated over the years and evolved into data mining. Uh, Data collection. So the first term that have been used was data collection in 1960s. Data collection is the process of sorting information on computers. Uh, this is the beginning of the technology area and the building computers and disk and tape storage to store data inside. And the next term were data access in 1980s. Data access is the introduction of structured query, language, and relational database helped us learn more about data. By accessing the data, we mean that we learn more about the data and we start using it. Data available at record level dynamically. History of data mining. Data warehouse and decision report. This is the third term that have been used in 1990s. The process of centralized data management and relatable. Maintaining a central location for all organized data helps you realize data and concert on very specific characteristics and dynamic data delivery at multiple levels. And nowadays, at the present, we have the term data mining. But data mining is generalizing patterns and predicting by it. Some influential people or events. We have some events or some people that have made a role in this field. In 1975, John Henry Holland wrote Adaptation in Natural and Artificial System, a book on generic algorithm. The name was Start in Data Mining. In 1990s, the term data mining appeared in the database community for the first time. In 2001, William S. Cleveland introduced data mining as an independent discipline. And DJ Patel became the first chief data scientist in the White House in February 2015. These were some interesting information, and the terminologies. Data means facts or numbers or text that can be processed by a computer. So any thing that can be processed by a computer, that computer can understand it, we name it data. Information is the patterns, associations, and relations of the data. Like when we have the data is a raw data, and we have to label them. Like labels are information about the data, and knowledge understanding of a subject, synthesis information to gain knowledge about historical patterns and future trends. In this pyramid, we can see data versus information versus knowledge. As we can see, uh, every knowledge is a part of some information, and all informations are part of data. The data is like a base for information and knowledge. If we don't have data, we can say we have information, or if we don't have information, we can say, oh, we have knowledge. But that doesn't mean that every data that we have is an information, or every information that we have is a knowledge. It can be knowledge, or it can be a knowledge, but every knowledge is a part of information, and it has been extracted from information. Data mining in the knowledge discovery process. So